Mastering modals. Expressing ability with English modal verbs. Hello, English learners. Today we're diving into an exciting aspect of English grammar: modal verbs. More specifically, we'll focus on how to use modal verbs to express ability. By the end of this video, you'll be able to use modal verbs like can, could, and be able to correctly and confidently. Let's get started. Modal verbs are a unique type of verb that express modes like ability, probability, permission, or obligation. They are auxiliary verbs, meaning they are used together with the main verb. Today, our focus is on expressing ability. The modal verb, can, is often used to express ability. It's used to say that someone knows how to do something, or that something is possible. Let's look at some examples. I can swim. I know how to swim. She can speak French. She knows how to speak French. Remember, the main verb that follows, can, is always in its base form. The infinitive without to. To talk about ability in the past, we often use could. This is the past form of can. Here are some examples. When I was a child, I could run very fast. I was able to run very fast when I was a child. She could play the piano beautifully when she was younger. She was able to play the piano beautifully when she was younger. Could is not used to talk about a specific occasion in the past. For that, we use was, were able to, or managed to. Be able to is another way to express ability. It's useful because it has a form for all tenses, unlike can and could, which are limited. For instance, I am able to finish the work on time. Present, she was able to complete the marathon. Past, they will be able to attend the meeting. Future. Now that we've learned about expressing ability with modal verbs, it's practice time. Try to create your own sentences using can, could, and be able to. Practice is key in mastering these modals. And that's a wrap, folks. We hope you now have a clearer understanding of how to use modal verbs to express ability in English. Keep practicing these structures and soon, you'll be able to use them effortlessly. Thanks for joining us today, and remember, learning a language is a journey. So keep exploring, keep practicing, and most importantly, keep having fun. Happy learning!